Which camera is the best? A big one? A fast one? Is it the one with fastest autofocus? For me, it's the one that I can always have with me. It's a camera that allows me to use Leica lenses with legendary quality. It's Leica CL. Whether I'm at work or just stroll in the city, travel around the world or browse galleries, I want to be sure I will bring the best possible pictures. I'm not a professional photographer, but photography is a hobby and passion for me. Even though I test new cameras every day, I never leave my Leica CL at home. A camera cannot stand between me and the story. On contrary, it needs to make me part of the story. Leica is the essence of photography. There's the story, aperture, shutter, ISO, and me. Leica has legendary cameras that stand out. Leica M has its well-known M lenses. Q is an uncompromising full frame with a fixed lens. CL is a compact travel companion for every day. For me, CL is the right camera for everything. How about you?